Hey everyone, it's Whitney with the Richmond Smile Center, and we are standing outside of our office here today. Just actually wanted to show you around. Most people think of dental offices as, cold, sterile environments that are not very much fun, but I actually wanted to show you how different our office is. So come on with me and we will take a little look around. This is our internet cafe. We'd like to think that you're not in our waiting area very long, but if you are, we want you to be really comfortable, and you can actually check the internet, do whatever you need to do, check your email right here. We actually also have a maybe grand piano in our waiting area as well. It's a little different, makes for some nice music. And over here, we actually have some information on patient testimonials, things like that, before and after pictures. So while you wait, you can check us out and see what other people think of us. And in here, we have our beverage station. Normally we have some warm cookies, coffee, tea, things like that. We even have a little refrigerator with some juices, things like that in there, just to kind of keep you comfortable. And here is our consult room. It makes for a nice private place to actually sit down with Dr. Martin and talk about, some of your treatment options, things like that. Moving on, this office is pretty big. We actually have about 12 operatories through the whole thing. This is actually two of our on-site labs. This is our sterilization room. So just kind of something nice to have all in-house. You're not driving all over town to get certain things done. It's all done right here. And this is actually an example of one of our operatories. We have massaging chairs, things like that. So pretty nice, pretty comfortable. And over here is actually Dr. Martin's Wall of Fame. He's been published in all kinds of magazines, publications over the years, and these are sort of highlights of some of the magazines he's been featured in and some of his articles. If we put them all up, there would be probably 10 more walls just like this, but these were kind of the highlights over the past few years. And we actually have a photo studio here as well, which is really nice to take your before and after pictures. But this is a really cool piece of equipment that I actually wanted to talk to you about because it's not found everywhere. In fact, it's very infrequent you find one of these. It's called an iCat, and it's essentially a CAT scan of your head from your shoulders up, which is pretty neat because normally when you're getting your x-rays done, it's just of your mouth, but this actually shows everything from your shoulders up, so it's showing how everything's working together. Things that you wouldn't normally be able to see, we can actually determine where some of the issues may be coming from based on the structure of your head, your shoulders, your neck, things like that. Moving on, this is one of our checkout stations. It's pretty private and nice. You can sit down and talk to one of our patient coordinators about any financial arrangements, what your experience was like, things like that. And then finally, we have a wall of fame over here. These are some of our patients over the years who have been featured in, our print and our media, on TV, on the radio, and these are some of their stories, some of their before and after pictures as well. And this pretty much brings us back to the front where we conclude our tour. So if you want to check us out anymore, we are at www.richmondsmilecenter.com, or you can call our office at 804-320-6800. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you later.